Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I do appreciate all the love and support from my last video. We did get these bumpers bondoed, fixed, and primered, which is awesome, and we did have some parts coming for this ST, which I can't wait to show you guys. We did order some amazing headlights, LEDs, and a few other parts did come in, so let's start bolting on some parts and see how they turn out. Hey guys, so we got all the parts out of the boxes besides the headlights, which I do want to show you out of box. But we got the reinforcement, front reinforcement, the radiator support, 2 fenders, and the headlights over here. Let's check these out. I did get a peek of them, so I did see them before you guys, but they look amazing. Nicely packaged too. Wow. These and they're LEDs too, so they do come with LED converters. But wow, that is just angry looking. We got a converter over here. It just comes with some 3M tape, so you could just tape it to the side wherever. You probably tape it somewhere over here or something. But yeah, you got the converter right here, and they look just honestly mean. Wow. So let's get to throwing some of these parts on the car and see how they turn out. Guys, so we did just get this front reinforcement off. It is a little bit different than the new one, but for the most part it's the same. I mean, just like the holes on the front are a little bit different. So let's take off this radiator support and try out those 2 new parts and see if everything lines up. So I just got the radiator support off too, and also I did see some other damages. This air box is a bit cracked, so let's go plastic weld some of this together because they are expensive, and if we could salvage this, I'd rather salvage it than go pay a few $100 for a new one. So let's go do that. Hey, so we just got this air filter box just fixed. We did a little bit of plastic welding everywhere, and to say the truth, it's stronger than OEM. Like, I'm right here trying to break it and it physically won't break. So let's get that back in place and go from there. next day here, and I think yesterday we finished off with moving all the parts over to the new radiator support, and we did have the crash bar in and all that installed, so I think we're going to get right back into it and install this new radiator support. And also, I did break my arm, so I will be a little handicapped, but I'm still going to be putting out the content for you guys, so let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome back. We did just get these two old Fenders off and test fitted this new radiator support, and the holes do line up perfect on both sides, so that's awesome. Let's get these two new Fenders on the car and test fit the bumper and see how all that aligns. And also, I believe the hood should be coming in today, so we could test fit the hood too and see how the front end comes together. So let's get right to it. So guys, we just got this Fender on, and for the most part, the gaps between the door do line up pretty good, as you guys can tell. And we still have to put a few insulation pieces back in, but I have the inner fender off, so we can just shove it through the gap. And also, while I was doing that, the hood did come in. It is located over here. And I did open it up just to see if it was damaged, and one of the corners are damaged, so I'll have to get in contact with the owner and work something out. It was one of the corners somewhere, I think it was that side over there, but I'll definitely open that up and show you guys. But for now, let's get this Fender on and a few of these lines that run on the radiator support right here. So let's get right to it. Hey guys, we got the Fender on and the intake hoses or outlets or whatever you guys want to call them, and also all the other hoses and lines that run on this radiator support connected all up. And I did unbox this hood. Sorry about the wind if you guys could hear that, but I did unbox the hood, and as you guys could tell, this corner right here is, yep, you could tell right there, it's bent over a lot, and you can see a small little dent right there and just little stuff like that. So I could definitely get that all bondoed out. Sorry about all the noise in the background, but let's throw this hood on and see how everything lines up. So far for the aftermarket parts, everything's lining up pretty good. Over here you got the line with the door. It's almost perfect all the way down. Just at the bottom you need to adjust it just a bit more. But other than that, it's looking perfect. So let's try putting the hood on and go from there. Hey guys, we just got two Fenders and the hood back on. I did a lot of aligning and finally it all aligns together. Let me get this hood shut for you guys and show you. So I still haven't aligned the other side, but this side, as you guys can see, the gaps are perfect. all over. So that's awesome. The other side, I just have to align the fender with the hood. That's no problem. I can just get that pushed in, maybe a little more, and line it right up. So let's get right to it. Airbags come in, or I believe they're that airbags. So I just want to see if there's any damage to them. So I want to open them up now, just in case, so I can contact the seller right away. But let's get this opened up. So you got the wheel airbag. It is super dusty, so it was probably sitting in their warehouse for a while. But as you see here, it says for a 2018 Ford Focus ST. And it looks to be undamaged back. Here's the front. And let's get to the knee airbag. It's also super dusty, so it was probably sitting in their warehouse for a while. And this does come with a plug, because they usually burn out, but ours did not burn out this time, so we don't even need that. This also looks to be undamaged. And also 2018 Ford Focus ST. Perfect. Exactly what we need. So let's set these aside, and we'll install them once the module and seatbelt come back, and go from there. Hey guys, so we just got this bumper mocked up. I just wanted to see how some of the stuff lines up. None of this is permanent, because we will be taking it off to get it painted. But yeah, so far it's looking pretty good. Besides the big old gap up top there, that's because we don't have anything there yet. Nothing bolted down. I just mocked up the bumper from both sides. And also I will start installing these brand new headlights to see how they turn out, and the under shield there. And maybe go for a test drive today, see how it runs. So let's get these headlights in there and see how it looks. Hey guys, so we just mocked up the headlights and the bumper, and boy, can I tell you, these headlights are absolutely insane. They just look so amazing. I can't wait to be on the road and see how bright they are. But along with that, we still do need to order a bumper support that falls into place right under there. Oh, the hood's closed, but falls into place right under this bumper. And also 2 grills, one here and one for the back bumper back there. And just get this car painted and install the airbags in. That's about it. So I can't wait to be back on this car. I did just order up those other parts, and I guess now it's just the wait game for those parts. But in the meantime, we might get these parts painted. I'm still deciding on that. We're coming towards the end with this video. I did get the hood, 2 fenders, headlights, and bumper all mocked up. I mean, the 2 fenders and the hood are fully installed, but the front end parts are just mocked up because I do need this bumper support that's up here, and I still need to order the 2 grills, so I'll get that all ordered up. And from there, the car should be done, and then we'll hopefully get that painted in the next video. So we'll see in the next video. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe.